Is your computer stuck on a frozen application and Task Manager is nowhere to be found? Let's dive into some alternative methods to regain control without losing your mind or your data. First, try the classic Alt+F for shortcut. Make sure the frozen applications window is selected, then press and hold the Alt key and tap the F4 key. This usually prompts the application to close gracefully, even if it appears frozen. If Alt+F4 doesn't work, attempt to open Task Manager using Ctrl Shift Esc. This is a more direct route and sometimes bypasses issues that prevent Task Manager from opening normally. If Task Manager still refuses to cooperate, rebooting your computer would be a good option. Press Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box, type MSConfig, and hit Enter in the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click Disable All. Note that some essential Microsoft services may be necessary for the proper functioning of some hardware or software on your computer. Finally, as a last resort, if all else fails, a hard shutdown might be necessary. Press and hold the power button until your computer turns off. However, this should only be done if no other method works, as it can potentially lead to data corruption. Now that you know how to force quit unresponsive apps without Task Manager, you can keep your system running smoothly and avoid those frustrating frozen screen moments. Subscribe for more quick tech tips.